create a monthly summary of revenue by customer, we need to make sure our data table has a month and a year field. And most of the time, data tables will just have a date field that has an individual invoice date. So to create that month and year field, we can use the concatenate feature in Excel. So to concatenate, we're literally just joining different fields together. So we want to take the month of our date field, add a slash, a 1, and a slash, and then we want to take the year of our date field. If we fill this down, it looks like we did a good job, but when we try to format this into our month and year format, we still are just getting a date, a full month, day, year, date. It's because Excel is recognizing this as text. So when you concatenate, Excel initially thinks you're just merging a bunch of text fields together. So to fix this, we're just going to add some parentheses here and multiply our formula by 1. And when we fill it down, now we just have that month and year field that we can use in order to create a summary table using SUMIFs.